Hi everyone, it's Gaylin. Today I'm here representing Unity Stamp Company again. I'm one of their design team members, and I have a card featuring a pocket that will hold a removable gift tag. It's great for holiday cards because they get the card and a little gift, which is a tag. I'm using Unity Stamp Company pattern paper called Pink and Blue Watercolored. It's a paper pack. I'm also using the Unity Stamp Company stamp called Say It Big. It's Say It Big Holiday. I'm using green double-sided card base, and I'm using Wonder Tape. It's an extra tacky tape. I'm using My Creative Times more stitched rectangular dies. I'm using various adhesive gems and Gina K Designs fancy foils. And that color is grass green. And so to begin, I made a little pocket using some of the pattern paper. And I cut that pocket 5 inches by 3 inches, and I scored the sides and the bottom at 1/2 inch. So I left the top unscored. And then it's easy to fold and add adhesive to it. I trimmed the edges and the corners of the bottom of that. I'll show you. You just open one side and there will be it'll be just a full rectangle, and I just cut the corners to make it easier to fold and easier to adhere. I'm just showing where I cut. And then I add Wonder Tape or extra tacky tape close to the edges of where the folds are going to be adhered. I add the glue or the tape to the bottom and the sides on the inside of the fold and on the outside of the fold. However you're going to fold your card, just make sure the adhesive is on the right side. The pocket, I mean, not the card. So this is a fun pocket that can hold a gift card. It could hold a little note. It could hold pictures. For this card, I'm making a tag to go inside. I used a laminator to add foil to the Joyful Holiday sentiment. It's part of the new kit that's releasing. I just make sure that I leave the laminator real hot for about 5 minutes running before I add the foil. In this case, I also did not use a carrier sheet. I just fed it through for the foil right on top of the stamped and embossed image. So just pre-emboss it however you like to heat emboss, and then the foil over it, run it through the laminator. It comes out real nice. Just be careful not to have any scratches on your foil or any creaks, any crinkles in the foil, because it will show once you finish your foiling. It'll have a line in there. So just make sure it's as smooth as possible without any scratches. I added a hole punch at the top using a crocodile, and I added some twine and a couple of extra adhesive gems. I also added a darker green strip there on top or at the top of the pocket, but there's still an opening there at the pocket. So the tag fits nicely in there with the twine hanging down. And so you can add something extra at the bottom. I decided not to, but there you go. It's a nice holiday card. You can write on the inside, and they get to keep the tag for themselves. I hope you like this tutorial. And if you have any suggestions for more like it, let me know. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.